Hey guys, it's the techie guy here, and in this video we're gonna be covering if statements, else statements, and elifs. So let's get started. So you see an upcoming video, it's coming, but yeah. So what you want to do is go to your thing and search up idle. Oops, idle. This thing comes up. What you want to do is file, new file. Bam, we're here. So what you want to do is if, as you can see, if it's like do if you do if it glows yellow, which means it's like an actual keyword. So if, and then you do the condition. So if, so this is the variable. You go down here. If, or let's do cool equal to, let's do cool equal to 10. Oops, 10. If cool equal, you have to do a double equal sign if you want to check if it's equal. But if you do this, it means equal to or less than, and if you do this, it means equal to or greater than. If you do this, this means less than. If you do this, this means greater than. We're gonna do equal to 10. You can also do and here. You can also do and here to add another argument. You can do cool equal to, yeah, so you can do and, but I'm not gonna do that and then we have to do, because I don't have another argument. So we're gonna do colon, enter. As you can see, it's indented. If it's not indented, you have to press tab. Wait, watch. So you have to press tab. Oops, the calculator opens up tab, and then it goes to the right spot. You want to do, and then whatever you want it to say, or whatever you want it to do print hi, print hi. Print, of course, we have to put the quotation marks, unless it's a variable. We learned about variables in the last one. Okay, cool. Else, you can do else, but then this has to be out of the intent. If you do else, you can't do elif, which makes no sense. I don't think you can't do elif. So else, that means if cool is not equal to 10, then you want it to do this. Sorry. Sorry. Cool is not equal to 10. Okay, let's run this. 5. Oops. I'm gonna have to save this, save this wherever you want. Bam. So say hi. Let's change cool to 9, maybe. 9? 9. Do F5. Okay. Let's see. Sorry, cool is not equal to 10. See? Now it works. This is if statements and else statements. So what you can do is elif. That means if cool is not equal to 10, and if this and if this condition is satisfied, so we can do elif 7 equal to 10, and you do print whatever you want. So that is else and if else and else statements. It's very simple. You can let me actually demonstrate with another variable. And copy paste this. I'm gonna call it Kool-Aid. I'm gonna call it oo. Let's make this 10. I'm gonna make this 9 and oo equal to 9 and equal to 8. If we do F5, this should say actually no, it won't say anything. I'm gonna put the else statement in. Else print um the requirement is not satis stat status status I know I'm not spelling it right, but I'm doing this good. Do F5. Oops. See, as you can see, I'm gonna do colon, and then now the syntax should be fixed. Yes, it does. The requirement is satisfied. If we make this a 9 in here, if we do F5, it should say hi. Hi. This can be very useful to like check if that is equal to that, is if it's what we want it to, and if it's requires meets that requirement. Or you can just send an error message like this, and yeah. So if else and else are very simple, and we'll learn for loops and other types of loops in the next video. Visit the Discord for help. And go to my Discord, the Discord for help, and also look to the GitHub for the code. See you guys in the next video.